Okay, here's a quick scenario. You're trying to build a massive structure, like really big, like maybe a castle, or I don't know what it is. But then there's one problem. You have to hand place every single block, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It gets really boring. You're enthusiastic, but you having to place every single block doesn't seem really fun to you. So yeah, I have a solution. It's really as simple as this, and then this, and going all the way here. Stone block. There it is. Super simple, like really easy. Basically, anyone can do it. And yeah, it really saves time, and why would you not want to do this? So yeah, this is what I'm going to show you. Okay, first things first, welcome back to another command block tutorial, and hey, we're going to learn the fill command. It's a really helpful command, especially for you builders out there who are planning to build massive structures and some glorious things. And the thing is, you don't actually need a command block. You don't need this thing. And I know it's really simple, and here it is. And what you're gonna do, I don't know, I'm just gonna give you a little example. I'm going to place a bunch of blocks, and here it is. You want to fill up this little area without placing any blocks whatsoever. And how you do it is you look at the block you want, make sure it's diagonal, so then it makes the outline for you. It's like when you drag your squares in like Microsoft or something, and then you've gotten that. You want to look at that corner, alright, and you do fill, and then you have all these numbers pop up. Those numbers are the block you're looking at right now. Those are the coordinates of that block, and you want to click that. Alright, now press enter, and then you've kind of saved that in your little, I don't know, chat bar. Then go to the other corner, then press the up arrow, and you will see the other numbers you typed in from before come up. Now you want to press space, and then the other 3 numbers pop up. And those are the coordinates for that block right there. And you want to click on that. Alright, now you want to change it to whatever you want. So I can change this to acacia buttons, acacia doors, but we want to change it to redstone blocks. So I'm just going to type that in, and here it is, redstone block. 3, 2, 1, and we've successfully filled 4 blocks. It's really easy and really simple. And if you don't want to fill blocks but actually get rid of blocks, like a large surface area of blocks, it's really simple. You do the same thing, but fill. You've got your 3 numbers, you enter, and go to the other corner. Very simple. And then you get that. Then you type in air, because that means it just changes it to the air around you, like the simple, you can't see it and all that. And this actually just means destroy hollow keep. And yeah, I'll save that up for another command block tutorial. And it's really simple. Press enter, and then all of it just disappears. So yeah, that is how you do it. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching the command block tutorial, which, except it doesn't actually have command blocks 2 times in a row. And yeah, I hope you have this. Have a nice day, and bye.